Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one popular tool. Some of you might already be knowing it, but I will tell you how to use it. You can sign up for an account here in OpenAI using your Google account. Then you can use this tool called Dali. So Dali is a new AI system. So Dali 2 is a new AI system that can generate realistic images and art from a description in natural language. To start with, you can also start with an image, or you can completely um, create a new image altogether. You can just come in and say editor. Now you can put in a description here and it will automatically create image. So if you want to start from something, then you can start from an image. So let me start with this dog. So I can crop it. So I'm going to place it here. Now for this dog, I'm going to say dress the dog with dress, suit and a tie with a red cap, red baseball cap. Let's see. So I'm asking the AI, that is Dali, to dress the dog with suit and a tie with a red baseball cap. So let us see what it comes up with. So based on this, you can understand what all things Dali can do. So I have not tried this on this particular image with this description. So I am also curious to know what does it come up with. So as you can see in the progress bar, it is taking some time. There are a lot of people using this system in OpenAI and something which is available for free. But this is not quite free in the sense there are some credits that is available for each user monthly, so that people use it consciously. They put the restriction. So if you want to use more than that, you can always pay for it. So it's now generating the image in the final stage. Dress the dog with suit and a tie with red baseball cap. That is what it's going to do. So it is still doing that change. Okay, so the same dog, if you see, I don't know whether that's a baseball hat, but it has dressed the dog in a coat, suit and a tie. I hope this is useful.
Subscribe
Thank you
now
very much.
and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.